A leader among them, the girl named Emma, guides her friends with excitement and wonder. Emma's friends gasp in awe as the enchanting creature leads them into the heart of the forest. Intrigued and curious, the group is drawn towards the enigmatic cave, hesitating at its threshold. With a daring spirit, she crosses the threshold, unknowingly setting off a chain of events beyond their control. Panic sets in as Emma and Liam desperately search for a way to rescue their friend, time slipping away with each passing moment. With a sudden realization, she solves the riddle, unleashing a surge of magic that begins to unravel the barrier imprisoning Sophie. Frantically, they dash towards the light, their hearts pounding with adrenaline,